Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can search any template on the Adobe Express. So let's start. So as you can see, I have opened the Google, and after that we have to search for the Adobe Express. So we have to click on this. As you can see, the Adobe Express is open. Now simply what we need to do, we have to, if you want to check out these templates, as you can see, these all templates are provided here. If you want to check out the more function, you have to click on the view all. And after clicking on the view all, you are going to get a lot of templates are here and some other options as well. So as you can see, these all templates are opened here. Now if you want to search any kind of thing, you can also do that. For example, I want to search for the flyer or the poster. I'm going to write the poster here. Now simply what you need to do, you have to press the enter. And after pressing enter, as you can see, you are going to get a lot of templates here. You have to choose that which one you want to use. If you want to check out the category like the files, libraries and brands, you can also do that. And for example, I'm going to then select in the templates. And after that, I have to press enter. As you can see, these all templates are here. So I have to click on this. And as you can see, after clicking on this is the option for the customized templates. So you have to click on this and you can edit this and view this on your Adobe Express. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can search any kind of template on Adobe Express. See you guys in the next video.